前とったね。
Pretty much all the restaurant and fun places nearby our hotel. So now you can enjoy your nightlife in Kyoto tonight and tomorrow. So we won't have that long time, so just we can go briefly about the tomorrow. Tomorrow that
Да, видишь, сейчас время будет смотреть, сколько людей. Теперь снимаю.
I think some of you already visited the Roppongi, or some of you might be planning to visit Roppongi this coming weekend to celebrate your finishing of the policy paper. So now we are driving nearby the Roppongi area, which is known for the a lot of 15 meter high the admission for the elevator is about like 250. Oh, you went to even higher? Good, thank you. So then 150 is the middle way, the first observatory, and if you go even higher, that will be 250. And compared to the Tokyo Skytree, which is a new TV tower, then you might feel that you are surrounded by those high skyscrapers. And in the 54, that was built as a TV tower. But compared to 60, that is 70 years ago, for your sightseeing, focusing on the urban feeling or the high skyscraper might be something good. As a memory of Odaiba. Odaiba literally means the cannon battery, because Japan experienced a national seclusion policy after 1600, so like literally Japan was closed, shut down to the other countries. But then in 1853, there was a Commander Perry from the United States arrived Japan. I think Kashiwagi Sensei might talk about that during the class, probably not. But in 1853, there was a big ship from the United States arrived Japan. And then at the time, still the samurai government, you see a little portion of the island with black pine tree covers. That's the origin of Odaiba, which Tokugawa is like a samurai shogun government made it in mid 1800s. All the way, then you can go back to your hotel, just for information. You need phone number. Now on your left coming up.
Be, yavaşine mi? Куда?